What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're with the 2022 Ninja 400 KRT, and I'm gonna give you guys a quick walk down on the upgrades so far. So as you guys know, I'm literally gonna try to build everything you can on this bike because, you know, it's what I do. I love content creating, I love bikes, I love cars, and I'm gonna be building cars all my life and sharing it with you guys. And yeah, so what we got so far is we got these Rizzomo, if that's how you say it, Rizzomo stealth winglet mirrors. These were off Amazon for about $144. You can get the original ones for about $450, but honestly I don't see a point. They're the same exact thing. They look like that. You can open them like this to see out of them. They're not too bad, but you got to move your hand if you really want to see who's behind you. But yeah, when you're parked, they look nice like this. So we got those mirrors. I got this quad lock for my phone. It's really nice, guys. I've went over 100 with it. I've had bumpy roads. I've tested it through a lot, rainy days, bumps, speed, everything, and my phone has been good so far. So yeah, I really recommend that, and it looks slick, way better than the RAM mount, I think, in my opinion. And then we got an exhaust on there, which I just fixed yesterday. I don't know if you guys remember, but the exhaust, it was like crooked like this, and then I didn't have this heat shield on it, so it was rattling a little, and it sounds amazing now. Like, honestly, it really sounds so good. You don't hear a high-pitched rattle noise anymore. It just sounds deep, like a deep tone, which I love. So I got exhaust on there. That's a Austin Racing slip-on exhaust I got from Amazon as well. I don't think it's the original one. One day I'll upgrade it, but this, honestly, in my opinion, sounds amazing and it looks good, and I like the short exhaust style, so can't complain about it. And then we have a Fender Eliminator Kit, which this was off REVS for about $90 something. It keeps the stock turn signals and it mounts up like that. It's pretty clean and nice. Maybe one day I'll get the turn signals that go with the taillight and then delete the turn signals as well, but for now I like that, and I didn't want to take apart the whole back part of it and whatever. Now, other than that, I'm thinking about different clutch levers. These are a little too plain for me. Might get tire letters, and then this black turn signal, whatever it's called, I want to get these in carbon, so I'm going to replace these with carbon. I want to tint this windscreen. I'm not sure if I should like buy a different one or tint this one. You guys let me know. I'm not sure what's better, but for now that's how it looks. And then I'm thinking about changing this back seat to a carbon seat, which would look sick. I want to get this, like I want to make this in carbon, the tire, whatever, protect, whatever you call it. And then the chain guard, I want to get all this in carbon. Maybe a different chain, a green chain or something, or a white chain actually would look even, oh my god, imagine a white chain with that white body down there. It would look sick. But yeah, for now, so Fender Eliminator, exhaust, mirrors, I got this thingy, and I did another oil change yesterday. The oil was black, so I went ahead and did an oil change, and yeah, that's about it, guys. So thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel, and I will see you guys on the next upload. Peace out. Like the video to support so I can keep uploading for you guys, and yeah, I would highly appreciate it. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Got my gear here, by the way, so Got jacket, everything. Don't worry. Geared up always. So yeah, peace out. Till next time.